Thaddeus here with Rocky Mountain Crane. Today we're going to replace a memory stick on a iGo T85 on the slew drive. So this is how we do it. While working with the memory stick, you want to make sure all the power's off so you don't mess up any of your drives. We're going to take a torque screw here. We're going to undo these bottom bolts. They do not fall out. Comes off like so. Then we're going to pull up right here on this tab to get our faceplate out of the way. Just pops up like that. Pull up on this tab right here. Just to unlock it there. And then right here we're going to push down on this, pull back on this. There we go. And you catch it like so. So this is the one that is no good. We're putting a new one in. Goes in the exact same way. So we're going to push it in like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. There's this little tab here that we're going to push in on. Make sure it latches in there. And then we're going to have to seat this in there as well. You want to make sure it's nice and secure there. You got your tab here and your tab here pushed in. It's nice and snug. And then we're just going to close our faceplate. Put our cap back on. So we're going to fire up the crane and make sure all functions are working properly. Our slew drive is firing up. We will wait until it's ready to go and then we'll slew left, slew right. After putting in the memory stick, you turn the crane back on, restart the crane. It's going to run through a sequence on the screen here, and you're going to click on Don't Show Again, the icon Don't Show Again. Shut the crane back off, restart it, and you will have slew left and slew right, and all functions will work.